Want to upgrade your home without overspending? Home Tech under $100 offers affordable gadgets that boost comfort, convenience, and efficiency. From smart plugs and voice assistants to budget-friendly security cameras and lighting, there's a solution for every home. Bring modern tech to your space on a budget. For more details on the products, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. Let's get started. Govee Neon Rope Light, 6.5 feet. This is another striking decor option with full app integration and customizable colors. You can change the hues down to each segment, and the fluid nature of its design means you can bend it into fun shapes. We tested this one firsthand. The Govee Neon Rope Light 2 is mesmerizing. Its glow feels almost surreal, like something from Blade Runner or a video game. Says Digital Trends Leif Iverson, Govee Star Light Projector. You've heard of putting stars on your kid's ceiling, but how about projecting a vision of the night sky with a button? That's exactly what you're getting with this table projector. With more than 50 scene modes, it'll have them immersed for hours on end. We tested this one firsthand. It's fun, and it quite literally lights up a room, says Digital Trends Alexis Spring. Framo 10.1-inch 32 gigabyte smart digital photo frame. One of the most versatile gift options for family members, this digital photo frame lets them show off all their vacation photos in one place without lifting a finger. Thanks to deep savings, you can easily buy two to gift for less than $100 and place them in different rooms for a true gallery effect. Hexium Night Vision Goggles. Right at the top of our price range is this set of fancy night vision binoculars/goggles with excellent customer reviews. Equipped with photo and video capabilities, it's a good gift for those who enjoy exploring their backyards, particularly if they live in less populated areas. Solo Stove, Mesa XL, Fire Pit Stainless Steel. Spice up your loved one's next social gathering with this portable wood-burning mini fire pit that's guaranteed to make a lasting impression. Considerably larger than Solo's other offerings and designed for tabletop use, it's great for roasting marshmallows or simply adding a bit of ambiance to their backyard. Ugreen 100-watt GAN charger. If you're looking for a GAN charger that can juice up two big devices, like laptops, simultaneously, this 100-watt box from Ugreen is a great choice. It's a bit bulky for some setups, but you can't argue with its performance. Great for big households. Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 is a fun Polaroid-style camera for documenting life and printing memories. Anyone of any age or interest can pick up this camera, shoot, and print their photos instantly with no fuss. It'll never get old watching pictures materialize. Philips Hue Indoor 6-foot Smart LED Light Strip. A slightly more subtle strip lighting option than the above neon rope, these strip lights can be easily modified with an app and can change the vibe of a room in seconds. Those who prefer to equip their house with a variety of Philips lighting will be impressed with the app, which works well in my experience. Magic Bullet Portable Blender. This portable blender is great for athletes or anyone who's trying to eat healthier. It can be used to make a wide variety of health shakes and smoothies. Just add your protein powder or fruit of choice and you're set. It can also be used as a water infuser. Caflano Classic All-in-One Pour Over. This lightweight all-in-one grinder, brewer, and insulated mug works well anywhere. Just add beans and hot water. And Anbernic RG35XX handheld. If they yearn for the days of dedicated handheld consoles like the Game Boy, this Anbernic lookalike is a no-brainer purchase. It comes preloaded with plenty of games and makes it easy to add more, and it's perfect for your niece or nephew who needs to learn to respect the classics. Fitbit Inspire 3 Health and Fitness Tracker. This basic fitness tracker from Fitbit includes sleep tracking, wellness scores, activity breakdowns, and more. It also comes with a 6-month premium membership to Fitbit's online service, so they'll have every insight they need to improve their health, great for almost anyone. Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus Performance Hand Vacuum Kit. This cordless handheld vacuum's powerful suction, long battery life, and large bin make short work of tidying up around the home and in the car. Backbone One Gaming Controller. Playing Fortnite on your phone with the digital buttons can be a drag, so try this portable grip controller that turns your mobile device into a sort of Switch-esque hybrid. It fits most Android phones and iPhone 15s and 16s, so make sure to buy the one that suits your device. Great for serious iPhone gamers. Lepro TB1 AI Smart Table Lamp. This table lamp will allow your loved one to bring a little bit of color and flair to their living room or bedroom with ease. Its unique design is sure to make a statement wherever it is placed, and best of all, its integrated app makes changing the setup a breeze. MicroSprite. This two-wheel scooter offers a smooth, faster glide, and it has adjustable height handlebars, but it's not for inexperienced riders. Hover One Evolution Hoverboard for teens. Hoverboards are no longer an invention of the future. This cool gadget will keep teenagers busy for a while. First, as they start learning how to ride it, and then for cruising, its top speed is 6 miles per hour and it can go up to 3 miles. Anker 26,800 mAh power bank. This absurdly spacious power bank from Anker is a great way to ensure that they'll never have to worry about charging their phone on the go again. With enough juice to charge their phone 6 times or their tablet twice, it's a good option for camping trips or long vacations. Sony SRS XB100. The Sony SRS XB100 is one of the best Bluetooth speakers in terms of portability, making it a great gift. It's a particularly good shower speaker, though it's also the right size for a golf bag speaker. Time More Chestnut C2 Manual Coffee Grinder. For those who want an affordable yet high-quality portable hand grinder, the Time More Chestnut C2 is the best in its class for speed, ease of grinding, and consistency. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.